Hi, I'm Mauricio Bustos. I'm the lead artist for Luminescence, and thanks for coming to the video. I want to take a few moments to describe to you what the project is and to ask for your help in making it happen. Before I do that though, I wanted to take the opportunity to thank our donors from last year. Seagrass wouldn't have happened without your help, and we definitely wouldn't be here today without that help. And so thank you, and I'm hoping that I'm going to get a chance to thank you again a year from now. So what is luminescence? So a couple of years ago I was on a beach in Seattle during a red tide and was completely blown away by seeing that deep blue color that you get when you step on the sand and stimulate the algae to give off their light, to luminesce. And ever since then I've been trying to find a way to bring that same experience and share it with other people. And Luminescence, this project, is an attempt to try to do that. And we're doing that by using another form of luminescence, electroluminescence, which describes how electricity is converted into light through LEDs. And so that's one of our primary ways of getting that light out to you. Seagrass last year was really an attempt to try and bring the experience of currents and tides out to the desert, and we did that by visualizing wind in that form. Luminescence is really trying to take it one step further by allowing us to interact with that piece and to affect and change it in a way that's interesting and surprising and fun. We're doing that in a couple of different ways. One, the scale. It's a bigger project. We're bringing out more towers. There's a third more of them. The accelerometers that we're using in the computers are improved. The microphones that we're using in the computers are improved. But most importantly, we're building this beautiful center viewing platform that's going to be located right inside of the sculpture. And within each of these little viewing pods, you're going to have access to these capacitive touch input devices. And what that means is that as you're touching these exposed metal parts, you're actually going to be able to affect change in the sculpture. Change the way the colors move, change the speed of the patterns themselves. And hopefully it'll be a way of speaking to the piece in a way that is interesting and maybe surprising in some ways. So our team is really excited to bring this out to the desert for you. Everyone's been working hard so far, and a lot of progress has been made both in design and in construction, and we're getting pretty far along the way. We're very fortunate to have received an honorarium grant from Burning Man, but unfortunately that doesn't cover all of our costs, and that's why we're here talking to you. We really need some help in closing that funding gap, and we're asking the community to help us bring this piece together and make sure that it happens. Help us out, get a cool t-shirt, get that satisfaction of helping bring something beautiful, and thanks for listening, and hope to see you in a few months.